everyone! So I'm here at Ninja Bowl and I'm trying it out because it's very much hyped. Got a Buddha and my friend Fern has got a braised beef bowl. So I'm gonna try and see how it tastes like. Wow, I can really taste the Buddha and the onsen egg coating on the rice, so that's really nice. Okay, so I'm done with. In terms of portioning, it's not too bad. It's quite good for lunch, but in terms of pricing, I would say it's slightly on the higher end because the bowl actually costs $18. It's $16 for the mains and $2 top up for rice. And $3 if you want to add quinoa. So it's not that palatable if you were to have this on a weekly basis. But taste-wise, it's not too bad. The ingredients are very fresh. The Buddha is quite well done, not too dry. And the beef bowl is also really good in terms of the taste and the flavors. Everything is well balanced. The only thing is just about the price. So yeah, it's a review of Ninja Bowl.